Okay, so we're out here at the White Dog Cafe, and we're going to try this out today. I hear the food is really good. And with me is my guest host, Anonymous Bob, a famous Italian chef, entrepreneur, and gourmet. So let's see how Bob is doing right now. Okay, Bob, how are you doing today? Oh, that's good. All right, how are you?
You'll definitely notice the dog motif at the White Dog Cafe.
Okay, and there's a outside dining area here with heat lamps and everything like that. And there's also inside dining. Okay, give us the spiel.
We're a farm to table restaurant and ingredients are locally sourced. We also have our wines that are domestic and our beers that come from no farther than a 300-mile radius. So a little spiel.
Okay, thank you.
I'll give you a few minutes to look over
Okay, so the waitress gave us her little spiel, and this is the menu. And they seem to have a lot of delicious stuff here.
Some chili oil. There you are.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're going to try this pistachio soup that they just presented to us and see what the taste is like. Now, pistachio is like a cold tomato soup with different vegetables and spices blended in, and this is actually delicious. So, Anonymous Bob, do you have any thoughts about gazpacho? You can't see Anonymous Bob shaking his head. So, but trust me, it is definitely delicious. Okay, so the gazpacho was delicious. It was tangy, it was tasty, and now we're going to go on to a buttermilk chicken sandwich. And Anonymous Bob will be having steak and eggs. So as soon as they come out, we'll show you what that looks like too. Okay, so Anonymous Bob will be having steak and eggs and some big hash browns. And I will be having this buttermilk chicken sandwich with, it looks like, these deep fried fries. So we'll have to see how that tastes. I have the buttermilk chicken sandwich. It looks crispy. It looks delicious. It looks like it's on a brioche roll that's lightly toasted. Yes, that is definitely delicious. It sort of has a sort of sour cream dressing on it. You know, fresh shredded lettuce.
How's everything tasting?
Delicious.
Good, awesome, enjoy it.
Okay, Bob. So, what was your opinion of the chicken or the eggs and steak? Bob is shaking his head, but apparently he's. Oh, there we go. We definitely have a good reaction from him. That's a 2 thumbs up. So we can tell that that was a good meal. Okay, so the White Dog Cafe is definitely a good place to eat. Great food, you know, nice, cleanly restaurant. The bathrooms are lovely. You know, service was nice. The staff was attentive. You know, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. So, like, out of a 1 out of 10, Anonymous Bob, what would you give it? Okay. So Anonymous Bob is in full agreement with me about, the quality of this restaurant. So come on out and check it out. It's out in, I'll have to look up the address.